So the last piece, topic, washing dishes on Shabbos. The Shulchan Aruch writes that one may wash dishes on Shabbos only if they will be needed against that Shabbos. This is true even if it's not definite that they will be used. As long as there is a chance that they will be needed, it is permitted to wash them. Otherwise, it is not permitted because it is tircha, bother. That is not for the sake of Shabbos. Okay, so let's stop here and try to explain. So if people ate, right, and she sees that they would need dishes for the next day, for Shabbos morning, and she needs plates or she needs bowls to serve salad. How many salads? She did not decide yet. How many bowls? Which bowls? She did not decide yet. So technically, she can wash all of the bowls, right? Even though she for sure she is going to have only 2 salads, but since all of them are suitable, they're a little different, this color, shape, or whatever, right? So she can technically wash all of them if she wants to, right? Because she might need them tomorrow. Okay, but only if for sure she needs for tomorrow. But otherwise, just to wash dishes to kill time of Shabbos, it's absolutely forbidden. Likewise, if it is not respectful Shabbos day to have soiled dishes in a counter or the sink. Then they too may be washed because that legitimate Shabbos needs. Poskim, right? So I would say if something is smelly, I mean, like after sometimes I smell like, I would say like for after fish, right? When you eat fish, it's nice and delicious, but when your plate stays there long enough, it starts smelling not good. So I would say it's the better solution, the easier solution would be just to soak them in there is a dish pan, right? The plastic dish pan, and you add some water, like right? Add some water, even soap, and you can put all of the dishes right in that dish pan, and that's it. So they're not going to smell, and they're going to soak there, and it's absolutely allowed. Poskim, and no smell, no dishes, everything like arranged in a proper way. Poskim writes that so too is individual who is personally bothered by the mess dishes cause is also allowed to wash those dishes if there is no other place to put them. Okay, so if they're soiled, you're allowed to, and it bothers you, right? And it's like a disrespect for Shabbos. So some people have a tiny room, right? The whole dining room and kitchen and everything in one room, tiny room. So and with all of these dirty dishes, it's like wherever you look, it's dirty dishes, right? So it would be allowed to wash. And some people are very particular. They want everything nice and clean and neat. So okay, so if they would leave dirty dishes, they would be bothered, like would annoy them. Is it proper? Not, right? But it's a different story. But halachically, we allow them to wash dishes because it's for enjoyment of Shabbos. If one has 10 soiled dishes and needs only one clean dish, she is allowed to wash all 10, as we said before. So she did not decide which one. This is because one can claim regarding each dish that this is the one she wants to use. Okay, so Mishnah Brura. So okay, we don't argue. If that's what they want, there is no problem. But to wash the dishes on Shabbos is very inconvenient, right? So first of all, you cannot use hot water, and you cannot use sponge. So and you cannot use all of the dishwasher soaps. So, okay, it is possible to wash, but very inconvenient. If one has other utensils that are clean and able to be used, I mean they are right side, etc., it is recommended that one not wash the soiled one. One use the ones that are clean. So it's proper, absolutely proper, especially if you live in the Western world, so to buy yourself enough dishes so you can survive 3 days in a row, right? So when there are two holidays connected to Shabbos. So in this case, you would not need to clean to wash dishes. Okay, but if not, so okay, well, what can you do? But it's very recommend some. So don't look for a loophole. So if you have clean dishes, so why would you wash these ones? Okay. If dishes are soiled and one is not going to use them again on Shabbos, some poskim maintain one is still allowed to rinse them to prevent the leftover food sticking to the dishes. Okay. So it's some, not everybody, making it more difficult to wash after Shabbos. Others disagree. So as we said, don't do it. It is therefore preferable to refrain from doing so. So, but as I said, this I suggest to someone that they would wash the dishes, this and that, because the food is going to stick. So that's what I told them, to buy this dish pan. It costs, I don't know, like $4, $5, and that's it. You put water, and on Friday night you put hot water in there. You put dishes, and it's perfectly clean. Okay.